A promising industry with a hamartia. That is what the virtual reality industry seems to be. The technology works by showing images to both eyes at once, either completely filling the frame with artificial images or just adding on to the existing reality. Whether using goggles that block reality out fully and replace it with a totally different virtual world, or glasses that augment what you see with additional images, this amazing technology has a flaw that nobody seems to be able to fix. Users endure simulator sickness and other symptoms, such as headache and fatigue. There are several reasons for this sickness. One is the lag between when a user turns his or her head and when the device generates the images to fill the space. Another cause is the confusion between where the pictures appear to be, on an island far away or far below on the ground, and where they actually are, on a screen not even a centimeter away from the user's eye. Experts call this problem the Vergence accommodation conflict. So while this field has a promising future in the gaming and entertainment industries, it has a flaw that needs to be fixed before there can be any thought of releasing it for general consumption. Share your thoughts on this topic and more via the links below, and check us out at www.modernwallstreet.com.